Good morning, class 4. It's your health education book, lesson number 11 and 12, and page number 25. Your topic is do away with tooth decay. So, first of all, we will discuss what is decay. Decay means decomposition and rotting. Teeth is a very important part of our body, and without the teeth, life would be difficult. So with the help of teeth we eat, we speak, and we smile. So we should take good care of our teeth, and we should know more and more about our teeth. So there is an activity. So in this activity there is a picture giving given some options. So we have to label the different parts by filling in the blanks with the helping words. So here you can see the soft pink part that holds your teeth in place. So this is gum. This part is gum. The innermost part of the tooth, it contains nerves and blood vessels which keep the tooth alive. This is pulp. So here you can see the red portion. This red portion contains nerves and blood vessels that keeps the tooth alive. So this portion is pulp. So this white portion, you can see it's an extremely protective hard outer covering. So this portion covering of tooth is enamel. Here you can write enamel. So basically it's a hard covering, it's a protective layer of the tooth. So next is dentine. This yellow portion is dentine, the hard yellow layer that protects the nerves and blood vessels in the tooth is dentine. So as you all know that this red portion contains nerves and blood vessels. So this yellow portion, that is dentine, will protect these nerves and blood vessels. So this yellow portion is dentine and this red portion is pulp. The nerves present in the pulp will help the body to enable us to feel pain or cold. So these nerves should be protective, and they are protected by the dentine, the yellow portion. Always remember, boys, you should keep your teeth healthy. If you don't do this, your tooth decay develops, which can be unpleasant and painful. Unpleasant means not good for you, and painful also. So here this kid is asking, what is a tooth decay? So Harold is describing tooth decay. Harold is saying tooth decay is basically a disease that is caused by a bacteria and present in the mouth. Whenever we eat different types of food that contains sugar content, so these foods stick on our teeth and produce harmful acids. So this acids slowly forms a hole in the tooth if we don't brush our teeth. After listening to this, question arises, what is a hole? So let us discuss about the hole in the teeth. This kid is describing about the hole. So this hole is basically known as cavity. So cavity can create a lot of pain and discomfort. So whenever a hole appears, you should quickly visit the doctors. But if you don't visit the dentist immediately, the tooth decay spreads and this may end up losing your tooth. Here you can see a hole. This hole is basically a cavity. This girl is advising you people that avoid using fizzy drinks. Fizzy drinks means any sort of cold drinks. So you should avoid them and avoid brushing too hard. So the enamel, that is a hard protective covering. You can see that white hard protective covering is a enamel. So if you brush too hard or drink a lot of fizzy drinks, so your enamel will be affected. Here you can see a question. What are some of the warning signs of tooth decay? List down 4 signs below. Warning signs in this question describes the symptoms that appears whenever your tooth decay has been started. So number 1 is tooth sensitivity. First of all, tooth sensitivity occurs. You feel cold and hot whenever you eat anything cold or anything hot. Next is pain and discomfort. You feel pain and discomfort whenever you eat, drink, or do anything with your teeth. Next is bad breath. So you will have your breath would have a bad odor. Next is cavity. We have discussed about cavity, the hole in the tooth. So lastly, the cavity appears, and if we don't recommend or attend the doctor or dentist, this warning signs will end up losing your tooth.